day program. That means 3 periods are gone. Yes!
3 periods gone? That's all you care about?
Of course. What else is there? Assembly, videos, speeches, same thing in every program.
Actually, it's not the same. Do you know why we celebrate Constitution Day?
Because our constitution was big.
Not just big, it's the backbone of our country. It protects us, guides us, and gives you all the rights you enjoy today.
Oh, I never thought about it that way.
Let us take you through the journey of how our constitution was created and why it is so special.
Yes, now I want to know the real importance of this day. Let's begin.
In early India, many kings ruled different regions. Each kingdom followed different customs and rules, but there were no common laws for the entire country. Justice changed from one place to another, and people were not protected equally.
When the British took control, they introduced their own legal system. Their laws were strict and organized, but they were not meant to give Indians equal rights. Indians were treated as second-class citizens.
Indians faced discrimination in schools, jobs, courts, and even their opportunities. Their voices were ignored. Soon people realized that true freedom meant having laws made by Indians themselves.
Years of struggle and sacrifice awakened the dream of fair laws. Laws that would give every citizen equal rights, dignity, justice, and protection.
When India became independent, our leaders knew that we needed a strong constitution that would guide the government and safeguard the citizens.
So, in 1946, the Constituent Assembly was formed with 299 members. Their mission was to shape the future of our country.
The drafting committee under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar had worked day and night. He studied many constitutions around the world to create best one for India.
Our constitution is one of the most detailed in the world. It originally had 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules, now expanded to 12.
The Constituent Assembly held 165 sittings over 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. To complete the task, 22 committees were formed to examine each subject carefully.
After careful debates and discussions, the Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949. It was a proud moment for our nation.
The original constitution was handwritten, not printed. The calligraphy was done by Narendra Sita, and each page was decorated by artist Nandalal Bose. It is the longest handwritten constitution in the world.
Do you know the United States has one of the shortest written constitutions? It has just 7 articles. India's constitution is longer because our society is large, diverse and needs clear guidance.
The United Kingdom does not have one single written constitution. Its rules come from traditions and court decisions. But India has created a complete written document to guide the entire nation.
Let's honor our constitution. Let us protect the rights it has given us.
Justice, liberty, equality and fraternity.
Let us stand united under these values.
Let us make our country proud.